Stop scrolling. What if I told you that the biggest reason people stay poor is not always because they earn too little money? The real problem is that most people never learn how to control, save, and grow the money they already have. Every day, millions of people work hard, receive income, spend everything, and repeat the same cycle for years. But wealthy people follow a different system. They understand one important rule. Money that you control today can create freedom tomorrow. In this video, you will learn how to save more money, avoid common financial mistakes, and start investing step by step. Stay until the end, because the final step is the one that separates people who only earn money from people who build wealth. The first step to becoming financially successful is not investing. The first step is control. Many people ask, how can I become rich? But the better question is, where is my money going every month? If you don't know where your money goes, you cannot build wealth. Your income is like water. If your bucket has holes, adding more water will not solve the problem. You must first close the holes. Start by tracking your expenses. Write down everything you spend money on: food, transportation, entertainment, shopping, subscriptions, small daily purchases. Many people ignore small expenses because they seem harmless. But small expenses repeated every day can become thousands over time. Financial success begins with awareness. The second step is saving. Saving money is not about becoming rich overnight. Saving is about building discipline. A common mistake is saying, I will save whatever money is left after spending. The problem is that usually nothing is left. Instead, change the order. When you receive money, first, save. Second, invest. Third, spend what remains. You can start small. Maybe it is 5. Maybe it is 10. Maybe it is 20%. The habit is what creates success. Saving money is important, but there is a limit to how much you can save. The next step is increasing your income. Learn valuable skills. Your ability to earn more money is one of your greatest financial assets. People who build wealth usually do not depend on only one source of income. They build assets that can generate money over time. Saving protects your money. Investing grows your money. Keeping all your money without investing has a problem: inflation. Over time, the cost of goods and services usually increases. The money you save today may not have the same buying power later. One of the most powerful ideas in investing is compound growth. Time is your biggest advantage. Understand what you invest in. Never put your money into something only because someone promises quick profits. Think long term. Building wealth is about making smart decisions consistently for years. Diversify. Common investment options include stocks, index funds, bonds, real estate, and businesses. Always learn before you invest. The journey to financial freedom starts with one smart decision, one saved dollar, one investment, one better habit. Start today. Track your money. Save consistently. Learn about investing. Be patient. Your future is created by the decisions you make today. If you want to learn more about saving money, investing, and building wealth, subscribe and continue this journey with us. Your future self will thank you. If you want to learn more about saving money, investing, and building wealth, subscribe and continue this journey with us. Your future self will thank you.